Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome to this class. My name is Okunlola Anna, and I am going to be teaching you how to make use of the text and the sticker feature when editing your video or your images using the INSHOT app. This is very easy to understand and it is easy to make use of. That is the reason why I'm recommending the INSHOT app for you. So if you are interested in this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share to your loved ones so they can benefit from this class. And also do not forget to comment in the comment section. So without further ado, stay tuned and see you in class. The next feature for us to learn is the sticker and the text feature. The reason why I said we are learning the both of them is because the option serves for the same purpose. If you click on the sticker, it is these icons you will see. And if you also click on the text feature, those are the icons you will see. So anything I click is still the same thing. So I will be starting with this sticker feature first. And for you to access some of these sticker features, your data needs to be on so that it can load some of those features. But mind you, there are some features that you need to pay INSHOT some amount of money, as in INSHOT Pro, to access it. But regardless, I use a lot of features around that sticker without even paying. Now I'll be explaining about the GIF feature on that sticker. So to access this, you need to make sure your data is on. My network was really bad here, but I still made sure that I was able to click on some things. So it will give you a lot of options like the love, the share, birthday, thumbs up feature. You know, those features you see most people on YouTube or online generally make use of to express themselves when they are trying to tell someone something, like please subscribe to my channel, things like that. So it's under this GIF feature, but you need your data to be on and your network to be good to access it. Also, more options under the sticker options are the emoji options. There are some that you need to pay INSHOT some amount yearly to access them, but you see all these ones you can easily access it like so. Though I don't really make use of all these emoji, but you can always play around it. The reason why I don't use it is because of my own kind of profession. But if your kind of profession require all this emoji, you click on it and you make use of them. What I majorly make use of in the sticker option is that GIF. So now let us move on to the text option. So test, from the word test, it means you typing whatever the word you wish to type while working. So whatever the word you've drafted or you've had in mind to type, you type it in this typing bar, this space for typing. Then you can pinch it for zooming in or zooming out. Why this option is the color option, where you can choose any color of your choice and you can also customize color. You can play around it, this text, border, shadow, glow, label, opacity. And when you are satisfied, you will mark the specific color you've chosen. So we have different types of colors here. A lot of colors you can play around, and there are also some already automated color options down here that you can work with also. And you can even customize those colors by changing them. And you can do, if you don't like the customized one, you can also delete it. A lot of options. One thing about learning is that when if you want to enjoy what you learn, you have to practice. This option is for different types of fonts, like depending on the kind of letter design you want, it will reflect here. You click it. So other ones, if you want more, I think you have to unlock it by paying INSHOT some amount of money. So here is a lot of options you can play with in. Why this one is just to align and arrange your text. Maybe you want to zoom, though I don't make use of this one, I just pinch. Why this one is if you want to make your text curvy, to have a curvy effect, you can see this can be used to beautify your work. Why this other option is to space your words. And for this next option, it is for text that requires you writing on another line, like another line underneath, either using the button that makes the word to fall into another line. So when you click on this option, it will help you to space your words. Why this one is just to align your text either to the middle, to the side, or to the other side. So these are the options for bold, italics, underline, or capital letter. So all this will help to beautify your work. Why this option is for transitioning. Sometimes it will look so boring when you just let your work to just just pop out like that. No, sometimes you just have to give it a beautiful intro. That's the reason for transitioning. So it will give your like your test a beautiful intro. We have the in and the out options. So in option is for a test that is coming into a video. Why out means that maybe you want that test to leave. So sometimes you can choose to use the in without using the out. Though when you click on in, it will reflect out. So all you need to do is to remove it from here. While we have the loop option, this one is also a way of transitioning but with a different kind of effect. So here you can use in controlling the timing, the type of timing you want the loop or your transition to have. Maybe you want it to not be too fast, or you want it to be a bit slow, something like that. When you practice it, you will understand what I'm talking about. So this loop transitioning effect also have different types. So maybe peradventure you don't like it, you can just click this part so it will remove that effect from it. Same thing goes for the in option and the out option. But after you've done what you want, you can mark it. Then this option helps you to drag your text to anywhere you want it to reflect, either to the middle, to the top. You just pinch it and you will drag it up and down. Then also you will notice that this option always reflects in everything you click on. INSHOT icon on any feature you click, once you click it, it will show you that video end or video, just a specific clip. The only time a clip will reflect is when you split your videos. Maybe when you were editing, you had to cut off something. The moment you start cutting it off, the video is no more a whole, so it is now splitted. So maybe you now want that text to just be for that splitted part alone. All you need to do is to click the video and put it at clip ending or clip beginning, depending on what you want. Why video ending is, if you once you click that place, it will go to the end of the video. And also for this video end feature, you do not need to split your video or anything. Whether you have a lot of videos that has been splitted, it doesn't disturb. Once you click video end, it will still go to the end of the video. The only reason why it is clip end it will explain, it just make us to understand that it is for a specific clip that you want that letter to cover. But for video end, it means that you want it to cover every part of the video. So it's either you click video end or you drag it. You will notice that I dragged it not long. So you can also drag it. Once you long press it, it will work. So here is the end of this tutorial. Please ask your questions in the comment section, and also do not forget to practice. See you in my next one. Until then, keep winning. Bye.